Hey guys, I am Kyle, and in today's video, I am going to show you how to make FNAF in Infinite Craft fastest method. So let's get started. So the first thing that we will need is we're gonna go for Earth right here, and then we'd add wind to create dust, and then another Earth to create planet, and then fire to create sun. And then from here, we're gonna add another fire to create solar. And then we're gonna add another planet into the solar so that we would be able to produce system. And then we're gonna add fire into the system to create computer, and then add another system to create software, and add earth to create game. And then we're gonna add dust, and then plus wind to create sandstorm. Once you have the sandstorm, is that you wanna produce a wave. So it would be water plus wind. And then after that, you have a wave. You want to produce another water again and put fire there in order for you to produce steam. And then you want to combine steam and wave to produce surf. And then after that, you want to add a wave again to create surfer. And then you want to combine it with sandstorm to create sandman. And then add another surfer right here. Now that we have dream, the next thing is we're going to add another dream to create nightmare. And then we're going to go with planet. And then we're gonna go for steam right here to produce a steampunk right here. So once you have that, and then you wanna go and add earth again to create robot. And then after that is you would want to combine with planet right here, add it to the robot to create cyborg. And then once you have cyborg, you wanna combine it with nightmare. And then you wanna add fire into it to create Freddy Fazbear, and then you want to combine it into game, and then boom, you now have FNAF. So that is basically it.